recent Prescribed Fire Science Consortium burn event at Tall Timbers Research Station in North Florida, scientists from the EPA and the University of Idaho partnered with unmanned aerial vehicle experts from the Desert Research Institute in Nevada.
Fire burns into the wind, slowly creeps, and the fire runs with it. But the truth is that because winds are variable, you get all three.
Up until the last couple of decades, drones, or UAVs, were largely limited to university research programs or military applications. But recent hardware and software advances have increased the reliability and decreased the cost of commercially available UAVs. Highly portable, maneuverable, and stable, UAVs have become valuable platforms for researchers who are developing and testing new instrument packages to collect smoke and air quality samples above the forest canopy. Collaborative efforts like this are what push wildland fire science and UAV applications to new heights.